What's up guys, it's Max Merc here, and today I have a super quick video on how to replace the rear cup holders on your W205 Mercedes C-Class. Now this applies to all C-Class sedans made from 2015 through 2021 and includes C300s, C400s, C43s, C450s, as well as C63 and any other variation of the W205 that has the rear cup holder that looks like this. You push that button right there and it pops out. Very German over-engineered cup holder. I'll go ahead and show you inside the car as well. If you pull down that center console right here and push right here, you have two cup holders that pop out, and it's designed to fit a large variety of bottles and cups in a sort. However, with most of these newer cars these days being plastic everything, these tend to sometimes break from just regular use. So what ours was doing was that, as you can see right here, it was basically just sticking open on one of them. No matter how much you push it, it just would stay open. And the reason for that is because if you look underneath here, you can see the mechanism looks good, but on this side the mechanism looks just a little bit, ever so slightly messed up. Maybe somebody was a little too rough with it, or something got jammed in there, I don't know. But just from regular use, that stopped working. And it's actually a super duper easy replacement. And all you're going to need for this job is a T15 Torx bolt. I have this one on a very long handle, which is pretty ideal for this job, because as you can see, once you open up these cup holders, you have these two silver T15 Torx bits, one right there and one right there. And you can very simply just insert this into each side, loosen up those T15 Torx bolts. This entire mechanism slides right out, and then you can install it in reverse order. Just place the new one in, reinsert those T15 Torx bolts, and tighten down. You should be good to go with working cup holders. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. It really helps the channel, and see you guys next time.